Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preventing the system from removing apps automatically. First, back up your device so you can restore if anything unexpected happens. Then open Settings, go to App Store, and turn Offload Unused Apps off. That stops future automatic offloading. Once done, open Settings General iPhone Storage to view which apps were offloaded. Make sure you note any large apps you want reinstalled immediately so you can restore their data and avoid surprises later. Now you'll recover the offloaded apps and remove triggers that cause offloading. Tap each offloaded app in iPhone storage and choose Reinstall App. This restores the app binary without losing user data. While reinstalling, update iOS and your apps. Updates often optimize storage behavior. Free up space by moving photos to iCloud, deleting large downloads, or clearing caches. Once you have healthy free space, the system is less likely to offload apps automatically, so make sure your storage remains above the critical threshold. Finish by ensuring changes stick and addressing problems. Restart your iPhone so the offload setting and reinstalls take full effect. Sometimes a reboot resolves lingering issues. If apps still offload, check for mobile device management profiles or parental controls that may enforce offloading and remove or adjust them. As a last resort, update iOS or choose Settings General Transfer or Reset all settings to clear misbehaving preferences without erasing your data. If that fails, contact Apple support for device-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.